how to save project in CapCut PC. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let me show you how to do that. Firstly, open the necessary project. I'd like to use this one here as an example. And if we'll open it, we'll find this information, probably but we've lost some media, but it's not matter now. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find project details. So in order to do it, you need to click on the empty place somewhere on the timeline or somewhere here. And after that, in the right side, you can find these details options. If you won't be able to do that, you need to manage windows you have on your workspace. After that, we can see that we have this path here, like users and so on, this information. And in order to manage it, we can just simply open this folder to these two projects, and then we'll be able to find the draft, and then we'll find this folder with our project. So we can make a duplicate or do something else. But what's really interesting is that CapCut allows us to save it automatically. So for example, if we'll change something here and then we'll try to close it, we can see that it was moved to the first position here. It means that it was saved and all the changes were applied to our project. So basically you don't have to save something like with your fingers, because everything is saved automatically, but you can create the copy of the project. And one more thing, we can click on more here and then we can click on duplicate. In this case, we'll have two projects here, and we will be able to change one of them and we'll have the previous version. So hope this video helped you out. Goodbye.